it's Sherri from A Quilting Life, and I'm here today to share the February Sew Sampler box from Fat Quarter Shop. It's a fun one, and I love sharing the boxes each month, and there are some good notions and some very fun fabrics inside. Let's go ahead and get started. Okay, let's take a look inside the February 2026 Milk and Meadows box. And I always kind of try to have fun guessing before I actually look at the box, and this one I did not guess, but once I opened it, I knew that this was definitely a Lori Holt collection. You can definitely recognize her fabrics, and it does have kind of a little farm theme with the chickens and really cute vintage flowers. This really does look like it could be older fabrics because the colors are so vintage. The pop of bright pink really reminds me of some of the fabrics in antique quilts that I have from my great-great-grandmothers. But really some fun geometrics, really just a fun combination of colors. Just going to flip through. There's a lot of fabrics here, actually. And then some really vintagey, kind of washed pale fabrics. I always love a hexagon print and a text print too. And this collection is actually called Farmer's Daughter. So really fun collection from Lori Holt with Riley Blake, and there are 24 10-inch squares included here. Okay, you always get a little card that kind of gives you the down low on what is involved in the whole box and what everything does. Sometimes you need to read this card to find out what's involved with everything. This box was pretty simple. Every once in a while, Fat Quarter Shop throws in new Rotary cutter blades. I'm always excited to see those. In fact, I'm going to put this on my Rotary cutter as soon as I'm done filming. I love, and I do love the Endurance blades. They advertise that they cut twice as long, and I believe that's really true. This was also something fun to see in here. This is a ruler. I've got a lot of rulers, and this is a 1.5 by 2.5, and I've never had a 1.5 by 2.5 inch ruler, but I've been working on the Socialites 3 sampler, and I'm making the 3.5 inch, 3-inch finished blocks. And I feel like this is going to come in really handy for a lot of the pieces that I'm cutting for those blocks. I think it might be a new kind of go-to when I'm working on minis or small pieced projects. So really kind of excited to have this. I mean, you can always measure that with a larger ruler, but just to have the 1.5 by 2.5 is just really going to come in handy. And that is a Creative Grids ruler. Okay, there is also a pack of foundation papers for a 6-inch vintage Milkmaid star, which is a really cool kind of block. And the papers are in here so that you can sew number by number. And we actually have posted a tutorial for how to do piecing like this. We can put a link to that in the description if you want to look at that video, but these papers just make it super easy to do that. And this is for a 6-inch block, and so to go along with that, they have a table runner pattern. So you would use the table runner pattern with these papers, and it finishes at 16.5 by 28.5. And it's very, very cute, and you can use the fabrics included to make the table runner. So really, really fun how these all go together, and just a darling little project. And then last but not least is the flowering. This month is block 11. We are getting close to the end of this sew along. I'm guessing that next month's box will have block 12 and the finishing included, and that in April we'll start the new project. So it's always fun to see what they do. These patterns are actually also available as PDFs, but you can also get the paper patterns. And anyway, so another really great box from Fat Quarter Shop. Okay, so that's it for the February 2026 Sew Sampler Box. Again, some really fun items, and I can always use a new endurance blade, and there is just one blade in here, but these really do last longer. I just can't reiterate that enough. We'll have all of the products linked in the description below, and the boxes, if there are any a la carte left, will I'll also have that linked for you. If you enjoyed today's video, please share it with a friend, hit the like button, and subscribe to our channel if you haven't already. Thanks so much for stopping by.